What's up, guys? Mike Tech Tactical here. So I have an unboxing for you guys. I finally upgraded my phone. It's iPhone XS Max. I'll be upgrading to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's a lot of words for a phone. But anyways, I got it in space gray. I got it in the 256 gigabyte variant, and I got it on Verizon. I upgraded, like I said. Total cost, yeah, 1249. 1249. Then Verizon hits you with the $20 upgrade fee, and I paid for express shipping. And then where I live at in Virginia comes out to be 1348.58. That's a lot of freaking money. But we do live for tech, so here we go. Don't need a knife for this. Everything is pretty much pull tab on everything on the plastic. So you can see here it is the space gray. All right. And I got it in 256 gigabyte. All right, let's get on with it. Very easy, very easy. Put that away. Let's lift the box. Fairly simple. Come on. There we go. And there she is in all its glory. Beautiful. I love that space gray look. Okay, nothing inside the box. You got the embossment for the camera cutout. As you can see right there, the camera does protrude just a little bit. So here it is, the phone. Very nice. It's going to be identical to the iPhone XS Max. All right, just going to put that right here. Contents of the box. You got your stickers here, books, pamphlet, regular books and crap, just like Flossy Carter says. You got your 18-watt, I guess you could call it, fast charger that Apple finally puts it in, and some headphones, not AirPods, and of course your Lightning to your Type-C to Lightning cable. So we're gonna put that back in the box. Put everything back in the box except for the phone. All right. So here we go. It's very hefty. I'm going to tell you that right now. Very nice. So let's go ahead and do this. Very nice. Lay that down. And yeah. So as you can see here, you got your camera hump. Doesn't stick out too much. But that frosted glass, that's a very nice feeling on the back. And screen is nice and black. But you got your lightning port right here, speaker grill, your power button, SIM injection, SIM right here, which you're going to put it in, volume up, volume down, your mute switch on and off, nothing at the top. And that's pretty much it. Just a nice slab of steel. All right, so we're going to put that right there. All right. On the iPhone XS Max, it's quite different. Of course, as you know, the iPhone 11 Pro Max has 3 cameras versus the iPhone XS Max has only 2, telephoto and your regular. And this one will have your telephoto, your wide angle, and then your ultra wide angle. All right, so I do have also my Samsung Galaxy S10e right here, 2 cameras as well, and it has that telephoto, you can zoom in, and it has your ultra wide, same at the front. You have wide and ultra wide angle and a regular angle camera. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. I can't wait. I got some cases for this, but yeah, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, space gray, 256 gigabyte from Verizon. All right, guys, take it easy.